Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Wisdom Fuel. If you are over 65, I want to talk about something that's not just about looking strong, but about staying independent, mobile, and confident in your daily life. Many people think that muscle loss after 60 is just a normal, unavoidable part of aging, but that's not true. The truth is, your body is designed to rebuild, repair, and stay strong at any age if you give it the right signals. You see, after 60, our bodies naturally lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass every decade. That means if we don't take action, simple things like standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries can become harder and harder. And here's the thing, weak muscles don't just mean less strength. They affect your balance, your metabolism, and even your independence. But here's the good news, muscle loss is not permanent. You can fight it, reverse it, and even build new muscle starting today. And the secret? Consistency with simple, targeted movements. You don't need to join a gym, lift heavy weights, or spend hours exercising. Just a handful of smart exercises done regularly can literally change the way you move, feel, and live. So today, I want to share with you 5 powerful exercises that you can add to your daily or weekly routine to stop muscle loss fast, keep your strength, and protect your independence. Exercise number 1, the sit to stand. This one is simple but incredibly effective. Sit down in a sturdy chair, then stand back up without using your hands. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. What does this do? It strengthens your legs, your glutes, and your core, the exact muscles you need for walking, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. It's basically a squat in disguise, but gentler and perfect for home. Exercise number 2, wall push-ups. You don't need the floor for this. Stand a few feet away from a wall, place your hands on it, and slowly push your body toward and away from the wall. Do 10 to 15 repetitions. This strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms, helping with lifting, pushing, and even keeping your posture upright. Plus, it's easy on the joints. Exercise number 3, heel raises. Stand tall and slowly rise up on your toes, then lower back down. Try 15 to 20 repetitions. This strengthens your calves and ankles muscles that are critical for balance and stability. Strong ankles mean fewer missteps, and fewer missteps mean fewer falls. Exercise number 4, resistance band rows. If you have a simple resistance band, this is gold. Sit or stand, loop the band around something sturdy and pull it back like you're rowing a boat. This targets your back muscles and biceps, which are often neglected but crucial for posture and daily tasks like pulling, lifting, or even hugging your grandkids. Exercise number 5, step-ups. Find a safe, stable step or low platform. Step up with one foot, then bring the other foot up to meet it. Step back down and repeat. Do 10 to 12 reps on each leg. This strengthens your thighs, glutes, and improves coordination. It mimics real-life movements like climbing stairs, which is one of the most common struggles people over 65 face. Now, here's the most important thing. You don't need to do all of these at once. Start small. Pick 2 or 3 of them today. Maybe tomorrow, add another. What matters most is consistency. Just 10 to 20 minutes a day of these exercises can help you maintain and even rebuild your muscle mass. And let me remind you of this. Muscles are like an engine. If you stop using them, they break down. But if you fuel them with movement, protein, rest, and hydration, they come back to life, no matter your age. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You're climbing stairs without holding the railing. You're standing up from a chair without struggling. You're walking with confidence and balance. That future is possible, and it starts with these simple daily movements. My friends, aging is not about giving up strength. It's about choosing to fight back. And with these 5 exercises, you are giving your body the message it's been waiting for. Stay strong, stay alive, stay independent. So tomorrow morning, I want you to take action. Pick one of these exercises and start. Build momentum. Your muscles will thank you, your energy will rise, and your confidence will return. Remember this, you are never too old to grow stronger. At the Wisdom Fuel, we believe that your best years are not behind you, they are ahead of you, filled with energy, vitality, and strength. Stay consistent, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.